Hi! Today we'll make this beautiful little magnet, so stay with me and subscribe to my channel. For making this magnet, we'll use a recycled box of cookies or cereals. Cut a 8.5 centimeters of diameter circle using your big shot or scissors. Now, cut a circle with the same size using deco paper. On this same circle, cut a window 6.5 centimeters of diameter. This way, you will obtain a circle frame for the photo. Use your frame to choose the area of the photo you will see on your magnet. Now, use your frame lid for cutting this circle. So cut your photo, making a circle 8.5 centimeters of diameter. By now, you should have something like this: a base 8.5 centimeters of diameter, a picture 8.5 centimeters, a frame 8.5 centimeters, plus a window 6.5 centimeters. Start gluing the picture on the cardstock base. Take care of well gluing the borders. Now, glue the frame on top of the picture. If you like this video, click right now on the subscribe button for more cool videos like this one. Again, well glue the borders. Now, let's recycle an advertising magnet. So choose any old magnet you have on your fridge, put some silicone on and glue it on your photo's back. Try to glue it on the center so your magnet will keep better on your fridge. Now leave it dry while you're making the decoration. Cut a tiny pink heart and glue it in the middle of a white cardstock strip. Now stamp the sentiment. Cut a little bit the strip to make a banner. Now, glue the message on a deco paper. Now, cut the deco paper to make a strip. Now, make some V-cuts on the ends. Now your banner is ready. For the decoration, I chose a crochet flower, a doily, and a banner. Fold a little bit the doily's borders. And then put some foam pads and glue it on top of the magnet. If you want to see how can you make your own foam pads, click right now on your screen to watch the video. Put also some foam pads on the banner's back and glue it on top of the magnet. Put some silicone on the flower and glue it on top of the doily. If you want to see how did I make this flower, click right now on your screen to watch the video. As a final touch, put some glossy accents on the heart and leave it dry the night. This is a nice way of recycling and create nice magnets for your fridge. I hope you like this project. Mark as favorite and post a like. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on networks, share with your friends, and click the following images to watch more videos. See you soon. Bye!